The heavy-duty truck market has never been a game of glitz and glamour. Unlike light-duty pickups that often chase lifestyle buyers with bold styling and infotainment upgrades, the HD segment is built on a foundation of raw capability, durability, and engineering excellence. In this world, torque, towing, and uptime matter more than big screens or luxury badges. This is a space where reputation is hard-earned and even harder to keep. According to Eric Phillips, a senior powertrain analyst at North American Truck Solutions, heavy-duty buyers aren't casual shoppers. They're farmers, contractors, fleet managers, people whose livelihoods depend on how much a truck can haul, how long it lasts, and how efficiently it runs. That's why the 2026 Ram 2500 and what Ram is doing behind the scenes is raising eyebrows across the industry. For years, Ford's Super Duty line has held court at the top of the capability charts, with GM's Silverado HD and Sierra HD right behind. Ram, always competitive, often underrated. But that's about to change. With Cummins preparing an all-new 7.2-liter diesel and a surprise 6.7-liter gas engine, the Ram HD lineup is about to fire a shot across the bow that could fundamentally alter how we view the segment heading into the second half of the decade. Let's dive deep into what's known for and why the 2026 Ram 2500 could become the new benchmark in heavy-duty trucks. A numbers-driven arms race. Forget about flashy redesigns and marketing gimmicks. The real battle in the heavy-duty segment is fought with specs. Who can tow more? Who delivers the most torque? Who offers the broadest powertrain lineup? This capability arms race has seen rapid escalation over the past few years. Ford shocked the segment with its high-output 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel, delivering 1,200-plus pound-feet of torque and record-setting tow ratings. GM followed with significant updates to its Duramax offerings. Now it's Ram's turn. Ram has always had a secret weapon in Cummins, a name synonymous with bulletproof diesel power. And for 2026, Cummins is going all in. The 7.2-liter Cummins diesel, a new legend in the making, built from the ground up. The biggest headline surrounding the 2026 Ram HD trucks is undoubtedly the all-new 7.2-liter inline-six turbo diesel from Cummins. Yes, you read that right. Not a revised 6.7-liter, not an incremental refresh, but a completely new architecture designed specifically for the next generation of Ram HD trucks. Cummins insiders have confirmed the engine will arrive in two output levels. Base output, Ram 2500, around 900 pound-feet of torque. High output, Ram 3500, estimated 1,200-plus pound-feet of torque. This marks a significant leap in performance, especially for the Ram 2500, which traditionally played second fiddle to its one-ton sibling. According to John Pissarro, a Cummins field engineer, the 7.2 is a clean sheet design. It's not about squeezing more out of the old motor. It's about stepping into the next era of diesel power with a platform that allows for better emissions control, higher durability, and more scalable tuning. Smart strategy. Different tunes for different tasks. One of the cleverest moves here is Ram's decision to reserve the high-output version of the 7.2 LS for the 3500, while still giving the 2500 an extremely potent variant. This preserves the tiered value proposition. If you want max towing and bragging rights, go 3500. But if you need serious power without the price tag and ride penalty, the 2500 delivers. With 900 pound-feet, the new Ram 2500 will still be a powerhouse capable of pulling heavy trailers, hauling job site gear, and doing so with improved efficiency and lower emissions, thanks to its modernized combustion chamber and updated turbo system. The surprise move. A 6.7-liter gas Cummins engine. Now here's where things get even more interesting. In a move that few saw coming, Cummins is also developing a 6.7-liter gasoline-powered engine, a first for Ram HD in decades and a major shift in strategy. Why gas? Why now? Cummins has long been associated with diesel dominance, but this isn't their first foray into gas power. What makes this different is scale, timing, and purpose. Built on the B6.7 platform, the gas engine uses many of the same structural elements and manufacturing tooling as the diesel. That means proven durability, lower R&D costs, and faster production ramp-up. And it's not just a gimmick. The target outputs speak volumes. Horsepower, 300 to 430 horsepower. torque, 600 to 750 pound-feet. These figures put the gas Cummins engine in a sweet spot, strong enough to replace legacy gas V8s like the 6.4-liter Hemi, but less expensive and easier to maintain than diesels. Fleet buyers, in particular, are paying attention. Gas engines mean fewer emissions-related service issues, no DEF, no DPF regen cycles, lower upfront costs, and cheaper fuel in many regions. Cynthia Marshall, a fleet strategy consultant, believes this engine will fill a gap the industry didn't realize was wide open. It's going to appeal to municipalities, contractors, and even individual buyers who tow heavy but don't want the long-term costs of diesel. Expert breakdown. What these engines mean for Ram 2500 buyers. 1. Unmatched flexibility. With two all-new engines, each engineered to deliver high torque and low-end power, the Ram 2500 becomes one of the most flexible 3/4-ton trucks on the market. Whether you're towing a fifth-wheel RV or hauling pallets of materials to a remote job site, there's now a factory engine option that meets your needs without compromise. 2. Game-changing gas power. Ram could become the first to offer a heavy-duty gas engine designed with diesel DNA. This matters. Instead of a standard truck V8 shoehorned into an HD role, the 6.7-liter gas Cummins is built for stress, longevity, and serious work duty. Expect lower RPM towing, more torque at idle, and longer service intervals than typical gas competitors. A new diesel benchmark. The 7.2-liter high-output diesel will likely set new benchmarks for smoothness, refinement, and towing. With noise and vibration control being priorities, expect quieter cabins and less driveline stress, particularly in long-haul or mountainous scenarios. 4. Future-proofing through emissions tech. While exact emissions ratings aren't public yet, the new platforms are designed to meet 2027 federal emissions standards early. This means Ram HD buyers can expect compliant trucks that won't get sidelined by changing regulations. When can we expect to see the new Ram 2500? Ram and Cummins have been tight-lipped on exact launch dates. No splashy unveilings yet, no full press kits, but insiders suggest the full reveal is coming in early 2026, with production units reaching dealerships by mid to late Q2 2026. The development timeline aligns with Stellantis's broader strategy to modernize its commercial platforms before 2027. Multiple pre-production test mules have been spotted in the wild, and the buzz from Tier 1 suppliers indicates that parts orders are scaling rapidly. The bigger picture, Ram's heavy-duty master plan. Stellantis isn't playing small ball here. The new Ram 2500 is more than just a powertrain update. It's the cornerstone of a broader push to elevate Ram's position in the HD market. According to internal reports and leaked supplier info, the 2026 Ram HD will feature updated chassis tuning for better ride comfort and payload handling. Expect a refreshed interior with more intuitive tech, but no Rivian-style screens. This is still a work truck. Safety systems will likely include enhanced trailer backup assist, adaptive cruise, and 360-degree visibility tailored for towing. New trim levels may debut, including a fleet-spec Power Wagon Delete package and an off-road-focused Rebel HD 2500. Should you wait for the 2026 Ram 2500? If you're in the market for a heavy-duty truck and can hold off until 2026, the answer is a resounding yes. Here's why. The new diesel is shaping up to be more powerful, cleaner, and more efficient. The gas Cummins could save thousands over a diesel while still offering major grunt. Ram will likely offer competitive warranty coverage and introductory incentives to grab early market share. By waiting, you're also avoiding the depreciation cliff of buying the last model year of the current gen truck. But if you need a truck right now, the current Ram 2500 with the 6.7-liter Cummins is still one of the best values in the HD space. Its durability, aftermarket support, and resale value are top tier. Final thoughts. Ram is playing for keeps. When Cummins develops two brand new engines simultaneously, it's not a coincidence. It's a coordinated strike. The 2026 Ram 2500 is shaping up to be one of the most important heavy-duty trucks of the decade, not just for Ram, but for the entire segment. It's a bold signal to Ford and GM. Ram isn't just chasing, it's ready to lead. If Cummins delivers on its promises, and if Stellantis executes a clean launch, the HD truck landscape will look very different come 2026. Stay tuned because the horsepower war just got a new general, and it's flying a Ram badge. Like what you see? Subscribe for more deep dives, real-world truck tests, and updates on everything pickup related. See you down the road.